Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho, ho, ho. Hello, boys and girls, moms and dads. Santa here, coming to you from Santa's Workshop TV. Today, I've got something extra special. My top 5 picks for the coolest toys for 3-year-olds. At number 5, it's the classic building blocks. They're colorful, easy to stack, and perfect for little builders. 3-year-olds can make towers, castles, or even their own little North Pole village. Zoom, zoom. And number 4, it's ride-on toys. Whether the tiny tricycle or a push car, little ones just love to scoot around. Great for energy, balance, and of course, fun. Ho, ho, ho. Coming in at number 3 are pretend play toys. A play kitchen, a doctor's kit, or even a little tool set. These toys help 3-year-olds imagine, explore, and copy the grown-ups they look up to. At number 2, we have art and craft sets. Big crayons, finger paints, stickers. Oh, what fun! These toys let little artists create masterpieces that parents will treasure forever. And Santa's number 1 coolest toy for 3-year-olds? Plush friends and dolls. Every child needs a cuddly buddy for bedtime stories, naps, and adventures. From teddy bears to favorite characters, these friends bring comfort and smiles all year long. And there you have it, Santa's top 5 coolest toys for 3-year-olds. Which one do you think your little one would love the most? Ho, ho, ho. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget, Santa's Workshop TV is here to bring you Christmas cheer all year round. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more magical holiday fun. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to all, and all a playful day.